Okay, let's see the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Well, the second one is made from the same thing. Sine square theta is equal to, bring this cos square theta here. So it will be 1 minus cos square theta. If you take the third one, cos square theta is equal to, bring sine square theta here. So 1 minus sine square theta. So from the first identity, you can make these two identities. Okay, now let us see this complicated thing. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is equal to sine square theta. Quite complicated, but let us see how to solve this. This is a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That is this square, 1 square, which is 1, minus this square. So that will be cos square. Now we know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. So we just put the value here. But if you are given this as an example, you have to write this step. 1 minus cos square theta as per the identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. And then you have to say 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta, which is proved. Okay, let's see how the second identity comes. We put sine square under all this. Sine square theta, sine square theta, sine square is equal to 1 upon sine square theta. Okay, sine square theta. Now sine square theta and sine square theta will cancel, so it will become 1 plus cos square theta upon sine square theta. Please remember, this is equal to cot square theta, right? Is equal to 1 upon sine square theta, which is the opposite of sine square theta, is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Okay, so remember that important cos theta upon sine theta is equal to cot theta, and sine theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. The opposite of sine theta is 1 upon sine theta, which is cosec theta, and the opposite of cos theta is sec theta. So 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So these are very fundamental things that you remember. Now suppose you have said that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So that is another form of this. Okay, we have brought cot square theta here. So cosec square theta minus cos square theta, so 1 will remain, so is equal to 1. Let's write this down. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This can also be written as 1 upon sine square theta, because cos is opposite of sine, minus 1 upon tan square theta, because cot theta is the opposite of tan. And you can write 1 is equal to, let's say, this first formula, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it will be sine square theta plus cos square theta. I mean, it all comes from one and only one identity. So you just have to find out. First say 1 upon sine square theta is equal to cosec square theta, which is like this. 1 upon tan square theta is equal to cot square theta. And we also know from the identity that cosec square theta minus cos theta, cot square theta is equal to 1. And we also know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is replaced by this, and cosec square theta is replaced by 1 upon sine square theta, and cot square theta is replaced by 1 upon tan square theta. So it's just simplifying and using the identities. So let's try a couple of sums like this. So we'll come to know exactly how to use the identities.